So I've come to get a beer. I might get one out of this fridge here.
Sukhumvit heat, mop by the door and a beat up seat. Plastic stool, cold beer line. A little place feels right on time. Neon hum on the sticker wall. Old van turning, hear the night call. You came in tired, I came in late. Same cheap grin at the same old gate. Bartender laughs, says watch yourself. There's one green sign on the top shelf. Everybody knows when the last call starts. You keep your hands off the heart of the bar. Don't open the fridge, don't open the fridge. That's where the good stuff lives. Don't open the fridge, don't open the fridge, don't open the fridge. If you know what this is, don't open the fridge. Ice in the bucket, lime on glass. Stories move fast when the nights go past. Taxi horns blur in the alley rain. Somebody singing out your name. Two girls laughing by the dartboard lane. A boy in boots with a stained red chain. We all came hungry, we all came round, but that cool white door keeps us down. Bartender smile says not for you. We've all got rules and we've all got shoes. One wrong look and the mood gets wild. So we just nod like an easy child. Don't open the fridge, don't open the fridge. That's where the good stuff
This place is
lives.
incredible.
Don't